Good morning, respected judges, distinguished participants, and everyone joining this presentation. We are honored to present our research entitled Bridging Digital and Institutional Justice, Higher Education Response to Gender Narrative Led by Young People in the Cyber Era. My name is Sylvia Sandararmadan, and together with my team from the Faculty of Islamic Studies, Universitas Islam 45 Bekasi, we would like to share the main findings of our research. The rapid growth of digital technology has significantly changed the way young people communicate, access information, and express their opinions. One of the most discussed issues on digital platforms today is gender equality. Through social media, young people are no longer only consumers of information but also creators of narrative that influence public opinion. However, this development also creates challenges such as misinformation, polarization, and a gap between digital discussions and institutional response. Therefore, this research explores how universities can respond to this changing gender narrative in a more inclusive and adaptive way. This study has three main objectives. First, to analyze how gender narratives are transforming in the digital era. Second, to examine how higher education institutions respond to this change. Third, to identify institutional strategies that can drive digital justice and institutional justice while creating a more inclusive academic environment. This research used a descriptive qualitative approach. The data were collected through document analysis, including academic journals, books, research reports, university publications, and policy documents related to gender, digital media, youth participation, and higher education. The collected data were then analyzed using thematic analysis to identify recurring patterns and institutional response. Our findings show that young people have become active creators of gender narrative in the digital ecosystem. Social media has become a platform for campaigns, discussions, and advocacy related to gender equality. At the same time, digital space also creates challenges including misinformation, oversimplification of complex issues, and social polarization. Therefore, digital literacy and critical thinking are becoming increasingly important for both students and educational institutions. Based on our findings, universities should adopt several strategic responses. First, they should strengthen policies that promote equality and inclusion. Second, universities need to provide open dialogue between students and institutional leaders. Third, digital literacy should be integrated into academic activities. Finally, students should be actively involved in policy development so that institutional decisions reflect the needs of today's digital society. In conclusion, digital transformation has fundamentally changed the way young people construct and spread gender narrative. As a result, universities must go beyond their traditional educational role and become institutions that are inclusive, adaptive, and responsive to social change. Bridging digital justice and institutional justice is essential for achieving a fair, participatory, and sustainable academic environment in the digital era. Thank you very much for your attention. We look forward to your question and feedback.